Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. So today we're filming my favorite video to film. Did you guys hear my arm pop? That sounded gross. We are going to be doing a huge makeup haul. I got some stuff from Ulta, Sephora, MAC, Kylie Cosmetics. We're going to be talking about all the new releases in today's video because I picked up a lot of new stuff. Some of the stuff I got right when it came out so I can be on top of my game for YouTube. And so yeah, if you guys want to see what I got, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with all the stuff I got from Ulta because I got a lot of stuff from here, so we might as well start with Ulta. So the first thing that I got was this Somerville ExfoliKate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. And that being said, yes, we're I heard really good things about this. I'm so excited to try it, and we recently just got Somerville in Ulta, so it's super duper new to Ulta, and so I'm so excited because I've tried her eye cream before and it was really good, and I just heard really good things about like her skincare brand, so I'm so happy that we have it. So I got that. Next up, I got something from the new Too Faced Tutti Frutti collection. This is a Twinkle liquid glitter eyeshadow in the color Guava Glitz. And I'm so excited about this collection. Everything looks super duper cute from it. And so I wanted to try this out. It kind of reminds me of the Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadows or the new MAC Dazzle shadows. The liquid ones, I can't talk. But this just looks like a really pretty like multicolored glitter. Let's go ahead and swatch it. So excited. Ooh, I feel like I should have shooken it up. It's a little bit separated. Yeah, it's more of like a clear color with multicolored glitter in it. So that is what the swatch looks like right there. Super pretty. I'm excited to try it out. And can we just take a second to look at this packaging? It is so freaking adorable and cute. Okay, the next thing we got here is the Nars, what is this called? Climax mascara. It's their newest mascara. And I'm not gonna lie, when I got this home, I was like, what the heck? Did I get an empty one? It feels so lightweight, but then I was reading it at work and it does say that it's like a whipped texture and formula, so maybe that's why like it literally doesn't feel like anything. It feels like it's an empty tube, but it looks really unique and the brush looks really fluffy and nice, so I'm really excited about this mascara. Let me know if you guys want to do like a first impression using this mascara so I could show you guys how it works. But yeah, I'm excited about that. The next thing I have here is a restock. I got this from a vendor. She restocked me because I told her I ran out, and she's so sweet. Thanks, girl, if you're watching. But this is the Murad Age Reform Nutrient Charged Water Gel. At first, this was only available at Sephora, but we recently did get it at Ulta, and I was so happy because I really loved it, and it is oil-free. So let me go ahead and open it so you guys can see. So it does come with a little plastic scooper, and this is what the actual packaging looks like, but this is a gel formula and it's really good for my skin type. I do have oily combo skin, so it's just a really nice like lightweight way to moisturize during the day. Did that even make any sense? It's a lightweight texture, so it's really good for during the day, and that's what it looks like. It's like a little pink cream, or gel I should say, but I really love it. It reminds me a lot of the Belief Aqua Bomb, but I like this one a little bit better, and so I just keep repurchasing it, or not really repurchasing it because I got it for free, but you know, she restocked on me. But if she didn't, I would probably have to buy it, but I'm glad I didn't have to, so I'm glad I have that. Okay, so next up we have another restock. This is the Ultra Repair Cream, and me and Christian love to use this as like a neck décolleté moisturizer, so we don't waste the one that we actually use on our face, on our neck. And it's a giant tube, so it's really good for that. It lasts us forever. We're still not even done with the one we have now, but the one we have is a it doesn't smell like anything. What is this called? I can't think. It is unscented, and this one is scented, and this is the honeysuckle. So us employees had an extra discount on all the Anastasia products, So I did pick up another brow gel. This is the Anastasia tinted brow gel in the color Auburn. I was using the clear one, but I thought I would change it up and try one of the colored ones because a lot of my coworkers were getting the colored ones, and I asked them if they liked it, and they said that it like really helped fill in their brows. So I thought I would try the Auburn shade because obviously I have red hair. And yeah, so we're gonna give this a go. This one actually is not silver like the clear one. Let me show you what the clear one looks like. So the clear one looks like this, so you can't see through the bottle, which I didn't like because obviously I didn't even know if I needed to repurchase this because I cannot tell if it's empty. So I thought I would just be safe than sorry and get another one, but I like the fact that you could see the product in this one so I could actually know if I'm running out. So I did pick that up. Oh, also the brush on the colored one is different than the clear one. I'll go ahead and show you the difference. So on the colored one, or I don't know if it's just all the brow gels in general, maybe they just changed up the brush. This is what the brush looks like on the tinted brow gel. It has like a little comb side. And this is what the brush looks like on the clear brow gel. As you can see, it's way different. It doesn't have that like comb side. I'm not sure which brush I'm gonna like better. Hopefully I'll like the new one just because I feel like that's how they're gonna make them now. Okay, so I did get some sample stuff just because I worked there and I got like these for free, but I got a sample of the Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation, and I can't remember which color I got because I was supposed to write it on the bottom and I didn't. But I'll probably have it in the description because once I look at the colors, I'll be able to tell which one it is. But I did get a sample of this. I've actually never tried this before, the Studio Skin Foundation, but I heard good things, so I'm really excited to try it out. So I got something from the brand StriVectin, I think that's how you say it, and I've actually never tried anything from this brand. This is the Anti-Wrinkle Line Blur Perfector Wrinkle Blurring Primer, and I'm really excited to see if this blurs my lines. I have really deep laugh lines, especially like towards the end of the day when my makeup is like creasing and whatnot. It just looks so bad. It looks like I have a really long mustache, so hopefully this will help with that, but I cannot wait to try it. I feel like I say that after every product. I'm so annoying. I got kind of another restock, but not really. So this is the Becca First Light Priming Filter, and this is the like purple one. I don't know what it's called. What is it called? I don't know. It's called the exact same thing as my other one, but it's the purple one. I don't know. It's the one that's supposed to help like with brightening, and so it looks like this. Let me show you. So this is what the packaging of it looks like. I really, really love the original. Where is it? Let me show you. What'd I do with it? So this is the original, the one that I had right now. As you can see, I'm running out, and so I thought I would try this purple one. I'm so excited! So next up we have a hair product. This is the, oh god, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to say this. Karanique, I don't know. Lift and Repair Treatment Spray. So it says that it seals 96% of split ends, strengthens the hair shaft, and protects against heat damage. So it's a really good heat protectant. I'm really excited to try it out. Or I don't know if it's a good heat protectant, but it sounds like it's gonna be a good... So those sound like really good promises, so I'm excited to try this out. So I got some samples from MAC because they did come out with some new things, and my MAC lead wanted us to try them, so she told us to get some samples, which I'm actually going to be doing a whole video on these because I do have all the colors and I want to give you guys swatches and like an in-depth review over this stuff. But these are the MAC HyperReal foundations, and it saying foundation is kind of confusing because it's not a foundation. It's actually a liquid highlight that you add into your foundation, or you could use it under or on top of your foundation. It's kind of like the Becca Skin Perfectors, but a little bit more of like a primer consistency. It has like a really smooth thick kind of filling. And so I got all the colors. They have a Violet FX, which is a purple. They have Gold FX, which is of course a gold, and then we have Rose Gold, and then we also have Bronze FX. And so I'll go ahead and just open this so you guys could see the consistency. But like I said, I am going to be doing a full video on these just so I could give you guys swatches and a more in-depth review. But I'm so excited about these. They're just basically really beautiful liquid highlighters. Next up, we have another Murad product. This is new from Murad, and it is their Revitaliixir. I'm not sure how to say that, recovery serum for face and eyes. And so the packaging of this product looks really cool. It's like comes in a pump, but it has like little beads in the product mixed with like a serum. It looks pretty cool. I don't know if this one's gonna look like the big one. Let's see. No, it doesn't. It's in a white package. But I'm still really excited and intrigued to try this product out and see how it does for my, or what it does for my skin. Next up, we have another sample here. This is the Dermablend, basically their version of a liquid highlighter as well. What color did I get? Yeah, so it's just called the Glow Creator Multi-Use Liquid Highlighter. I'll go ahead and swatch this one for you guys since I'm not doing a full video on this one. It's not very highlighty, but it kind of has the same feeling as the MAC ones where it feels like there's a primer in the inside, like silicone based, but that is what the swatch of it looks like. It's a really kind of orangey bronze shade. So next up, we have one of the new Anastasia Beverly Hills lip glosses in the color Estella. Which, oh my gosh, this is so pretty, guys. Look at that freaking reflection. It is so beautiful. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you. It's kind of one of those like opalescent glosses. It has like a peach pink undertone, but that is what the swatch looks like. I cannot wait to put that on my lips. I've actually been loving like glittery, glowy glosses. I know it's a trend right now, but I'm really loving that trend. So I told the vendor that worked for Exuviance that I've been having a lot of texture, especially right here on my chin. And I feel like whenever I have to edit my videos, or not my videos, my pictures, that I have to like blur out my chin because it just shows all my textures, especially in like photography. And it just looks so bad. So I was telling her about all my texture and like I was asking her how I would get rid of it, and she said to use a chemical peel. So she did give me a sample of this one. This is the Exuviance Performance Peel AP 25, and so it comes with basically a step 1. You put this all over and then you wait 20 minutes, I believe. Yeah, that's what she said. And then you put step 2 on to go ahead and rinse it off. I'm so excited. Hopefully it'll help my texture, but thank you so much, girl, for letting me try this. Okay, so next up we have something new from Lipstick Queen. This is one of their lipsticks in the color Crazed Gringe, which, oh my gosh, when I open this, it just looks so freaking cool. So this is what the packaging looks like. First off, it is so beautiful. I love it. So check this out, guys. Hopefully you can see it on camera, but it's like a purple with pink swirls in it. It looks so crazy. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, that is definitely not like anything I have. So basically on the swatch, it looks exactly like it did in the tube. It's just like purple mixed with pink. So pretty. Okay, so we have a sample from Dermalogica. This is the Reveal Your Most Radiant Skin Professional Grade At-Home Peel. Oh, cool. Oh. Let me just drop it. This is another peel. I'm so excited to help with my texture. I can't wait to try this one as well. I guess this one's just like a one-step thing because it only has like one thing in there, but I'm excited to try that out. Okay, so the last thing I got from Ulta was this Thomas Roth Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral Rich Moisturizer. I'm so excited about this. I've heard really, really good things. This is kind of a deluxe sample size. Let's go ahead and look at it. Ooh. It smells good. So it's just a white cream. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try it. I don't know if it's the one that like heats up on the skin because it does say thermal. I don't know, I just put it on my wrist, so we'll see. So it says Fountain of Youth Moisturizer, Harshness and the Power of Hungarian Thermal Water, Botanics and Modern Technology. For best results, apply twice daily to face and neck. It says nourish and restore for firmer, smoother, younger, healthier looking skin. And that is something we all want, right? And so I'm really excited to try that. Oh my gosh, I need to stop saying I'm excited. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to Kylie Cosmetics. I did receive this package today and I was totally confused because I honestly didn't order anything from Kylie Cosmetics. And so I was like, what is going on? Why do I have a Kylie Cosmetics package? And it turns out Christian actually ordered this for me as a surprise, as a gift. And I've said on my channel before that I would never order anything from Kylie Cosmetics, Kim Kardashian, any of that jazz, because I'm just not into it. I feel like they don't truly love makeup and it's kind of just like this big overhyped thing that you never get your order on time or anything like that. And so I just like never messed with Kylie Cosmetics or anything like that. But Christian has actually been helping me with my YouTube channel and looking up like popular videos, and he saw on there that Kylie Cosmetics was a popular video, and so he ordered it for me as like a surprise, which is so sweet. And so he did order me this is the box, it's really cute. So he ended up ordering me the Kylie Cosmetics birthday collection eyeshadow palette. So this is what the box looks like, and it is so freaking cute. Like, I really love this box, it's so cute. I love the picture of her on here. I was like pointing at the wrong side, but I really like the box. I actually wish that the palette looked like the box, because I feel like the box looks a little, or the package of the eyeshadow looks a little bit boring compared to the box. Like, I just wish that the eyeshadow palette looked like this, but instead it looks like this. I'll go ahead and show you. So this is called the Spring Pretty Eyeshadow Palette. This is what it looks like. And Christian was telling me that it looks a little bit like a Victoria's Secret, and I totally agree. But I'm so sad, guys, because when I did open it, it was broken. So I'm actually not going to open it here on camera just because I don't want to get eyeshadow all over the place. But one of the eyeshadows just completely came out of the pan, and so I had to go in there with my finger and press it down, and I still have to clean up the palette so it looks nice, because I do want to review this on my channel. So unfortunately I cannot show you what it looks like, but I will be doing a video on this, so stay tuned. But yeah, I was wondering why he asked me, because he was like, if you had to get, like, if you wanted anything from her collection, what would you want? And then I said the eyeshadow palette, and of course he ordered it for me, which I love him so much. Thanks, babe. But in here it did come with this little card. It has a picture of Kylie, and it says, "Thank you for celebrating my birthday with me in the most special way. I can't believe this is my 3rd annual B-Day collection. Enjoy, XO number 21, Kylie Jenner." Super cute, right? But this palette was on the more pricey side. I believe it was like $65. If not, I'll put the correct price on the screen. But to me, that's a little pricey, so hopefully it's a good eyeshadow palette. Like I said, I will be reviewing it pretty soon. Okay, so moving on to Sephora. I did place an order online, and I also went in store, so I'm gonna show you both. I actually didn't get that much from Sephora. It just looks like it because it's like a really big box, but I actually only ordered one thing from online. So I ended up ordering this YSL All Hours foundation stick. This is what it looks like, and when I got it in the mail, I was like, she's small. But this is supposed to be like the sister to this one, which is the YSL All Hours liquid foundation, and so I am going to be doing a full first impression and wear test on this foundation. It will probably be uploaded right after this video that you're seeing now. But yeah, I can't wait to try it out for you guys. And I also got some samples online as well. This is the Tatcha, the water cream. It's just a little sample, and I've actually already tried this multiple times, and I just don't see what the hype is about. It kind of reminds me of like the Murad one that I got, but I just always get it because I'm like, what if I like love it now? So I got a sample of that. I also got a sample of this mini beauty blender solid cleanser. I love this stuff, so this is really good just to have for like traveling, so I'll put it with like my travel stuff. And then last but not least, I got the Belif moisturizing eye balm. I've been hearing so much good things about like Belif products, and so I've also really been hearing good things about like their eye balm, so I really wanted to try it out, and this is like the perfect way to try it out. It's like in a sample. It's a pretty decent sample, so I'm really excited about that one. And I did enter a little promo code to get this little sample set right here. You had to spend like $35 or something like that, and I bought YSL, so obviously I spent over that. But this is Caudalie, I believe is the brand, and it just has like a whole bunch of like skincare samples. So it has this cream sorbet moisturizing sorbet, so I guess it's like a moisturizer, I'm not sure. But it came with that, and then it also came with the Caudalie eye cream. Ooh, I'm excited about that. I love trying eye creams. And then last but not least, it came with the Caudalie serum. So it's like a radiant serum. Super cute. So that was everything that I did order, and now I'm just going to show you what I got in store, which you guys have already saw because I did already upload a review on this. This is the new Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder Glow. So if you haven't seen my review slash first impression slash wear test on this yet, I will have it right here in the card so you could watch it. But yeah, I give you all my thoughts. Okay guys, so that's going to be everything for this haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so I can know to keep doing these videos for you guys. Also, let me know which videos you would like to see, if you would rather see like individual reviews over each product, or if you would like me to do just like a full face using all new makeup, let me know in the comments down below, because I'm not sure which one I should do or which one like you guys would like to see, individual reviews or full face. So let me know. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I do make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so that's 3 times a week, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!